Question number 7 is find points at which the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. So again you want the points means x comma y coordinate you want at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to. So first we need to find out what is the slope of the tangent, and that will be equated to what is the condition given here. Okay, so the given curve is y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. First you have to find out what is dy by dx, which will give you the slope of the tangent, which is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Now you can just take it out, that is 3 in common, so that you will get minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to 3 into, you have x minus 3 into x plus 1 will give you minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, now this is your dy by dx. Now what they have said is this is parallel to the x-axis, that is the tangent is parallel to x-axis means it is equal to 0, equated to 0, that is the slope is 0, right? So slope of the, since it is parallel to x-axis, the slope is 0. Slope will be 0, right? So you will get dy by dx is equal to 0, or 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, which will give you either x is 3 or minus 1. Now you got the points for x. You have to find out what is the point means. You have to find out what is y also. Therefore, when x is equal to 3, you will have y is equal to, replace the value, 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7 will give you 27 minus, this is also 27 minus 27 plus 7. So one thing gone and you will get minus 27 plus 9, sorry, plus 7. How much you will get? Minus, correct, minus 20, right? Now when x is equal to 1, sorry, minus 1, you will get y to be minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7, which is equal to, this negative, here it is positive, so minus 3, then this is positive, this is plus 7. So you are getting, this is how much you will get, 9 minus, sorry, 7 minus 4 will give you 3, 3 plus 9, 12 you are getting. So the points are, therefore how will you write the points? Therefore the points are, what are the points? When x is 3, y is minus 20, so it is 3 comma minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12. Understood this concept? This parallel to x-axis means the slope of the tangent, or you can say tangent is parallel means it is making an angle of 0 degree with the x-axis. So your slope is 0. Okay. Question number 8 is find a point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. So first you have to find out what is the slope of this one, because this is parallel to the, what they have given, at which the tangent is parallel. Tangent of this curve and the chord joining this are parallel. So you have to find out the slope of this one and find out what is the slope of this, and since they are parallel, they will have equal slopes. Parallel lines have equal slopes, so parallel. So that concept we are using here. So first we will start with what is the slope of the line, slope of the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. So what you will get, you can use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 because the points are given here, x2 comma y2, and this will give you 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. Okay, so that is 4 by 2, which is 2 you are getting. So slope of this chord is 2 means you are getting the slope of, you will find out and equate it, because slope of the chord is 2 means since it is parallel to this one, that is its tangent. We will find out what is the slope of the tangent from the curve x minus 2 the whole square, and whatever you are getting as dy by dx, that can be equated to 2 because since they are parallel they have the equal slopes. Okay, so this is dy by dx, which will give you the slope of the curve. 2 into x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 2 is 1. So you are getting 2 into x minus 2 as the slope of the tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Now you can equate this since they are parallel. The slopes are equal. So you will have 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2. Yes. So since they are parallel, the slopes will be equal. That means the slope of this and the slope of the chord will be equal. So we are just equating those values. 2 into x minus 2 is equated to 2. So what you will get? X minus 2 is 1 or x is equal to 3. Now when x equal to 3, you have to find out the point, means coordinate x comma y. Again you will substitute it in the curve in order to find out the value of y. Okay, therefore y is equal to, what is y? X minus 2 the whole square will become as, will become 3 minus 2 the whole square, which is 1. 1 square, 1. Therefore, what is the point? Therefore, the point is 3, 1. Understood? In the question number 9 is, find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. So again, the slope of this curve and the tangent to this, they are both the same. They are saying that you have to find out the point. Suppose this is a curve, this is the tangent. So tangent is given to be y equal to x minus 11, means slope of the tangent you will get from the derivation of, or dy by dx of this one. And the curve's tangent is also the same. So you have to differentiate the curve in order to get the slope of the curve. That is slope of the tangent to the curve. So both are same means you can just equate both of them in order to find out the point. Okay, so first we will start with the curve, which is y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So differentiating, you will get dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 11. Again, this is slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve is this one. Now again, you have been given that tangent is y is equal to x minus 11, means here we will stop and we will start with y is equal to x minus 11, and same dy by dx will give you the again slope of the tangent. Because this is tangent, slope of tangent will be dy by dx, which will be 1. So again, you are getting dy by dx to be 3x square minus 11 and dy by dx is 1. Therefore, you can equate both the thing, which will give you the value of x. How much you are getting? This is x square is equal to 4 or x is equal to plus or minus 2. Since both are the equation of the slope, we will just go for this one. That will be more easy to see. When x is equal to 2, what you will get y as is 2 minus 11. Okay, that is minus 9. Now when x is equal to minus 2, you will get y as minus 2 minus 11, which is giving you minus 13, right? Now you have 2 points, 2 minus 9 and minus 2 minus 13. Now you just check in this one. Okay. So what is y when x is equal to 2? 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5 will give you how much you are getting? 8 minus 22 plus 5. What is that? 22 and 13. Right, you are getting. 9. Okay. What you are getting? Getting 9 minus 9? Okay. That means that is the point is satisfying. When you are substituting here, you are getting minus 9 means when x is 2, y is minus 9, giving you the point correctly. Now when we are using when x is equal to minus 2, so this is giving you minus 9. When again checking with minus 2, y is minus 2 the whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5 will give you minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. How much you are getting? Are you getting minus 13? How much you are getting? This is 20. 27 minus 8. So it is not actually not equal to minus 13, right? Not giving you this point. That means this point is not the point which is required, which is making the tangent. At the point of tangent like this is not a point, but this is a point. Okay, therefore you have only one point, which is, that's why the question is find the point. Otherwise it will be find the points, right? Therefore the point on the curve, you have only one thing, which is 2 comma minus 9. This is not satisfying the equation, therefore this is not a point. Okay. Question 10 is, find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. For the existence of this equation, x is not equal to 1. Otherwise, the denominator will be 0. Now, we are starting with y equal to 1 by x minus 1. You have to find out the equation, means you have to get the point, 1 point, and slope is already given here. So, you can use point slope form to find the equation of the lines. Okay. So, y equal to x minus 1 after differentiating will give you dy by dx is equal, this is actually x minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. So, you get minus 1. X minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1 which is minus 2. So minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square, as you do for 1 by x. Okay. Now what they have given, the lines have slope minus 1 that are tangent to this curve. So again this is the slope of the tangent and slope is given to minus 1, means we will equate this with the slope. Okay. Slope is equal to minus 1 is given. So you will get, this is also slope of the tangent. So you will get minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus 1, which will give you x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1, or x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1, which will give you either x minus 1 is 1 or x minus 1 is minus 1. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 0. Understood? You got two values of x. Now you have to find out what is y. So you will get points. After finding out points, you have to find out the equation. Okay, therefore when x is equal to 2, what is y? 1 by x minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1, which is 1. So the point you will get as 2 comma 1. And when x is equal to x is 0, no? When x is 0, y is 1 by 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So you are getting the points as 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Okay. Therefore the points are 2, 1 and 0 minus 1. But the question is, you have to find out the equation. Now in order to find out the equation, we have 1 point and the corresponding slope, point and the slope. So you will get two equations. Okay. The first equation is, so the equation of the line with slope, equation of the line with slope minus 1 and passing through 1 point we are taking, that is 2 comma 1 will be, what is the formula? Point slope form, y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Replace the values. This is your x naught, y naught. This is your m. So you'll get y minus y naught is 1 is equal to m minus 1 into x minus 2. which will give you y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2, or y, okay, you can just take this to the other side, so x plus y, this will give you minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. So one equation is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Another again with the same slope and the other point. Okay, equation of the line with slope minus 1 and passing through the point 0 minus 1. So again using the same formula you will get y minus, this is your x naught y naught now, this is m. So y minus y naught will give you minus of minus 1 plus 1 is equal to m is same minus 1 into x minus x naught is 0. So y plus 1 is equal to minus x, or x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So the two equations are x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0.